be taking the rocker covers off and replacing the gaskets because this gasket over here is leaking, so we gotta take it off and replace it.
Lucas. Lucas. Lucas.
Got the passenger one off. Doesn't look too bad. Yeah, it looks grimy, all tore up. Alright, so we just reinstalled the driver's side. Now we're gonna take apart the passenger side. We'll get you a look as soon as we get it taken care of. After an hour, about an hour of sweating, finally got this hose off. At least we know that Nissan puts things on snug. Alright, I'll get you right back once we get this off.
They say Asian don't raise it. Went from young and dangerous to making all of my payments. When I get wasted and shit, it take 2 days to get fixed. They ask me what's your chain regimen, bitch. I drink like a fish. I done did everything, anything, all of my teens. Uppers and downers and all in between. Gave lovers the code and giving them range. From baggy to skinny with all of my jeans. 15 seconds of shine, turned into 6 seconds on the vine. Now it's real fake in real time. I did hella extra on their lives. Little home flexing, that's cute. They see my mural like that's you. Oh man, but anything brand new. Better cup your girl, I still pull. I'm about my business, yo. like just me, popcorn. But keep testing and talk more. I'll send that ass to the chalkboard.
It's slightly somewhere around here, as you can see. It's almost clean everywhere else. Right there in the back. After quite a bit of grueling time, we finally got it done. Definitely got some work to do on this car, but you gotta take it one step at a time when this is a real budget build. Alright, well, catch you guys next time, and we'll see what's next on the vehicle. Alright guys, today we're going out to go get some coffee because we love coffee. So it's been a while since we took the GTR out for a drive with you guys. So we're going to take it out today. And we'll see you guys there. Say hey.
Hey. Hey.
Starbucks. We get fill in all your coffee needs.
What'd you do? Yeah. Did you make a comment at all? Girl, we're very magnanimous. What is it?
Alright, so we enjoyed our time at Starbucks. We did a little bit of walking around while we were at it, just a little bit of buying. Hopefully you guys found it a little entertaining to watch me struggle as I take care of those gaskets. But next time, catch us. We're going to be washing these cars because they're pretty dirty, as you can see. Especially Rose's hasn't been washed in a long time. So please like, comment, subscribe, and catch us next time.